The Falcon for uniVERSE includes 3 components: the adapter plate, the bridge, and the wall mount in one of 2 colors. It's available in black or white. To install, position the uniVERSE case flat on the table with the inside facing up. Then put the plate in with the metal prongs facing down so that the silicone back is visible. Then insert your tablet into the case. Check to make sure that the camera is positioned over the camera opening. The OtterBox uniVERSE case gives your tablet heavy-duty protection while allowing you to use Okta's interchangeable handles, mounts, and stands. The adapter plate sits flush with the case, so your tablet can sit flat while maintaining its slim profile. Let's connect the bridge. Make sure that the unlock symbol and the arrow icon are aligned. Hold the top 2 sections of the base and push and turn to connect to your device. Finally, rotate the locking ring. You're now ready to use the bridge as a handle, or if you like, just put it down and you've got a stand. The stand can be adjusted to multiple angles, either by straightening the bridge or by bending the bridge. Next, let's install the wall mount. Take the wall mount and use it as a template to mark your holes on the wall. If you're mounting onto drywall, you'll need to use the drywall anchors that are included. If you're using drywall anchors, use a nail to make the hole for the anchors and then tap them in. Install the screws and make sure they are not sticking out at all. If they are not completely screwed in, it will interfere with the installation of the bridge. Your wall mount is now ready for docking.